with Grandma and I. It's called Fresh Traditions, and I just wanted to say that when my grandma was sponsored over from Laos, I couldn't speak Hmong. I was in high school at the time, so I couldn't communicate with my grandmother for years. And it was when I got to college, I really pushed myself to learn Hmong, so I can communicate with my grandmother and I can learn her stories. And so that really motivated me to learn my own language. Sponsor Linh đỡ về cú hai lô chỉ tao nó cú pop về thầu cú mu gần đỡ tinh xe thầu gần đỡ university về cú mà đi ở mua xe mu cỡ cú cho lù kia cỡ cú bỏ cho đáng thanh tàu. So that's kind of the story of me. And then I just asked my grandma to collaborate with me one day, and she just said, "Tell me where to be at, and I'll be there to perform with you." Because she does this traditional art form called gutsia, right? And I found out that she can freestyle, which really relates to hip hop too. So for me, my grandma is a rapper from her generation. Next slide. Oh, so this is an organization called True Stops and Mountaintops that I was the founder of, and what we do is we bring break dancers and teaching artists, dancers, and musicians to work with an orphanage and villages in Thailand. And so for me, it's expanding what we do locally to be international. So nói giờ bây giờ project lúc còn hồi bây hai người cho theo cho tung thái thua theo sinh kế b-boy theo hùng cao thiên đầu guitar bây phá nó bây mùa bắt hơi cho tung thái thua theo cho mình nhỏ thái tê nhỏ học chế mình nhận thua theo bây giờ rõ không. Next slide. It's called Street Stops and Mountaintops. And for me, it's really important to learn about our history and our culture and where we came from, because for me, you have a better understanding of the sacrifices that were made so you could be here and have an opportunity for education and opportunity for success. So for me, it's really important to understand our history of being refugees, and so that's the point of that. Okay, next slide. Well, I think this slide means you just want to give back to where you came from. Like, even though you've become successful, it's important to remember where you came from and to give back. Thì cô hai mươi chỉ cho thì có game một lý do là có yếu chủ đề gì cô sao cái này mua xe cô tất cả là ba cho chuyện cho nhỉ.